There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. Okay, I need to check out the new sound. Okay. What do we get? We got mute. We can't really. Jesus, calm down. Okay, we got deaf that time. Let's see. What can we hear? Hold on. Okay. I like that. I like that. Okay. It's just like you can hear like the faintest sounds. Like if I did. I can't get this out of my head. Here, wait. Slash time. Oh, pause. That's what it is. Slash time set day. And then we do slash game mode survival. Okay, Creeper. Oh yeah, how did that not kill me? But anyway, yes sir. Like you just barely hear even the explosions, but it makes it feel like you're like actually deaf, you know? Anyway. Okay, so still crashes. Resource reload failed. But why? That's the question. Into the lines. Reflect direct messages, blah, 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 blah. I hate the Java trace, stack trace. Okay, but shaders. Because, like, we're in the assets. Shaders. Oh, you want to know what? I think it might be that it's supposed to be called post still, not post effect. Here, let's try it again. I might just need to rebuild. I hope that actually rebuilds the assets and everything every time I do that. Creative. What are we doing? Oh yeah. Okay, so immediately it kills itself again. Still no? Dude, why? Shader slash post slash bind. Oh. Wait, maybe I'm stupid. Hold on. Let's look. Let's actually do some Googling. Okay, so Minecraft 26.1 Neo Forge shader assets. Resources, well, assets. Okay, this gives me literally zero information. Okay, assets folder, the assets folder, blah, blah, blah. Post effect. Okay, folder name post effect. Post processing screen effects. Metadata fragment and vertex shader. Okay, so that makes sense, right? Blind, deaf, and mute. So if we go to, where's the render? Blind, deaf, and mute. Maybe I just do like post effect. Let us see if that works. Post processing screen effects, yeah. Because there's a fragment of vertex shaders here. The the blur and the composite to overlay the red. Okay. Okay, we got mute. Def again. Okay. God damn it. Why? Post effect blind. That isn't like genuinely. What do you like? Okay, hold on. Post effect Meep Forge. Yep, that's what I meant to type. Neoforge path. Bro, I don't know how to load it at this point, like, because we got shaders that post. But this would be like blind if mute post blind blur, right? Let's see, Neoforge 26.1 post effect. Like, let's just do that. Let's see. No. Bro, what the fuck? The wind is so bad here right now. Like, resource location doesn't exist, so I don't think it's that. Can I, like, let me really quickly just, like, maybe blind effect or so. Oh my god. Thought. I'm just wondering, like, okay. I want to see, like, what path it gets. Because I'm like, or like what the identifier looks like. Cause like we got a post effect, but like blind. Okay, so just that, bro. What? I'm just like, hold on. Okay, new version. Oh my god. Resource paths. Shut up, bro. Resolving resource locations. Yeah. Data marker recipes, iron block, content of the JSON suffix is not required here. Let's do the recipe subfolder. But then tell me where the fuck they're all required. Like, bro, how am I supposed to know? Okay. What the shit? Like, I can't know what it actually requires, dude. The fuck? Please. Okay, fucking stupid bitch. Stupid little fucker. City, okay. Oh fuck, what is this called? Oh, yeah. I forgot. Here, like, let me just straight up. Well, let's just. What default namespace? Creeper. I guess let's try that. Creeper vision should work. If it doesn't, then we have a bigger problem on our hands. Or not. I don't know if it'd be worse or better. Okay, what did I get? Mute. Mute again. Deaf. Mute again. Bro, hello? Mute. Okay, so Creeper works. You can suck a dick. Okay, Creeper works. Okay. Okay, I shouldn't need the .json. What if I do this again? Oopsies. But I don't look for. What if I? Oops, that is not how you spell creeper. Is there a JSON file for creeper? No, there is not. Okay, well, fuck you. Did not mean to do that. MC dot reload resource packs. Like it should work. Hold on. I just want to make sure that it's not because I'm in debug. I doubt it is, but you never know. I need to make a menu item for Okay, that's def. What was that? Mute. Def. Oh! Oh! Okay. Hold on. Oh! Yes! 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 Okay. Really quickly, I do want to see if it works without these reload resources. I saw the red. I saw the red. That is intended. That is what we want. Oh, wait. No, that's not what it is. Sure. Can I set the game? Okay, there we go. Anyway, BDM, which sounds bad, but okay, you're deaf. I'm assuming that's mute. Deaf again. Okay, I didn't see that time. Yes, okay. So it's because it's not loading properly. It's not. The resource packs aren't. Oh fuck! Ow! Oh, why did I just scratched my ear? But it hurt really bad. Ow! What the hell? Oh, what did I do to myself? Now I can't have my headphone on that ear. Okay. So that is required. However, where was the last one? What was the last problem? Yes. Not a JSON object name, but why? What you mean? Grr. That is. Passes. Swap. Plop. Boom boom. Okay, that's a proper list. That's a proper list. Which one? I should probably look. Builder type vec2. This? Why? Why is it not a JSON object? Like this whole list? Blur, dir, name, radius. Yeah. What? I'm not trying to say it's a JSON object. What are you talking about? Brother. Not a J. Oh, whoops. It is a JSON object. Well, I mean, it's not a JSON object, but it's a JSON array, and that's very valid. Okay, wait. It is that, right? Compute to run. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going insane, right? Failed to parse. Like, it worked, but didn't. Claude, please, at this point, help me out. Okay. Blind F mute. I'm confused. Wait, why is it both blind blur? Oh, okay. I see. Ah. Because it's no longer Array. Inputs is no longer an array. Or uniforms. Alright, let me just copy what you gave me. I'm just paste it, that's fine. Blurter. Okay. I saw the red there, so at least because composites that doesn't have the uniforms, so does not require the object, which that makes sense. It was trying to decode it as an object, but I'm a little stupid for that one. I'll be honest. Bro, why does it never give me fucking... Okay. Bro. Nah, be fucking for real right now. Dude. What was it before? Like, what the balls? So then what is the format? I shouldn't just paste that into Google. That is not going to work. Hold on, let me... 26.1 JSON shader or post effect JSON format. Hello, please. Dude, I hate this. There's no documentation. Ugh. Bro, at this point, I'm just gonna fucking... Let's see if that works, because... But it's gonna get pissed, because it just fucking said that it wasn't a goddamn object. Bro, I'm gonna piss myself. I swear to God. Yeah. Not a JSON object. Okay, so it needs this to be an array specifically. But of what? Okay, not a JSON object, but where did we fail before? Cause, bro, wait, not a JSON object. Where? Hold on, I need to. Brother, I need to fail again because I need to see what is being pissy about. Oh, wait, hold up. I see it. Hold on, value is not in an array. I see it now, I see it. Okay. Hold up. There we go. I hope that's it, or else this is gonna be embarrassing. Hello? At least the composite is working. That's good. The red overlay. Now we need to properly blur. Okay, well that immediately broke. Holy shit. Not a JSON array, but does it want the missed input? Huh? Oh, hello. Bro, hello. So then what does it want to be an array? I'm just gonna try to just fucking, at this point, like, I don't know why they would do this. I don't like it. Wait, oh, wait, but no, this is a float then. Am I stupid? I think so. Let's try, like, this should be the exact same. Let's see if this is correct. Eventually, we will lock in on it. Hopefully. Oh, okay. Not a JSON object. So it needs each element to be a JSON object? What? Bro, what? Okay, hold up. Let me just... Bro, I'm just trying to find the documentation. Because, dude, honestly, anything would be easier. I need to figure out if the voice chat, like, mute and shit works too, properly. Okay. Uniform, an object of, okay, so uniform is a JSON object with a list. Uniform block name. An object with the definition. Okay, whoa. Okay, uniform block name, list. Type value. Okay. So, whoops. We were good here. All we needed to do, for some reason, is... Did you just replace it? No, you fucker. I don't want it replaced. I know it's weird. But IntelliJ, please. Oh! Why did it do this to me? Okay, let me see if I can just... Okay, again, it should be the same. Let me just grab uniforms and just... Okay, so we got... Yeah, okay, yeah. Oh, nope, this is not gonna work. Hold up. Eee. Okay, let me just copy this radius block. Hold up. I should have just gone onto the fucking wiki this whole time, bro. I thought, oh, it's a relatively new API. It's probably going to have a lot of sparse documentation. I'll probably want to use, like, overall Google or AI to fucking make it easier for myself. No. Okay. Now, be so fucking for real. Genuinely, what the hell? Okay, but why is the composite not working? Oh, I guess it's already... Oh. Okay, so it's not doing anything whatsoever. Maybe... Oh, fuck, was the red that I just saw? I need to take that registration out. Blind. Okay. Force, that's good. Okay. I hate this. Okay. Key. That is what is the key is what this uniform block will be called when referenced in a shader. Blurred air radius. Okay, so then if we do blind blur vertex. Ah, fuck. Okay, blurred air and radius. Is it vec2? Okay, that's fine. The question is, okay, you're fine. Okay, passes. Just does one pass. Is this the whole passes block? Oh. So it blinds it, it does the blur, then it does the blur again? Wait, what? Oh, I see, okay. So it does blur to main and blur to swap. These are just injected in, right? I wonder. Okay. If you like do it to say, sorry, I'm getting caught up in random shit. It's been so long since I've made shaders. I don't remember what half of this shit is. Let's just... Dude, it's so windy. Oh my god. Let's just, like, delete everything and just make it red. So if it's correct, it should just, everything should be red as soon as we get set to blind. Pure red. Should be very intrusive. Hello. Guess that's not correct. Well, that ain't right. So it's not being applied. Let's try. Just because I want to copy it. Because I can't remember. I mean, either one should be doing it, right? Because they're different passes, yes, but I mean, maybe the blur is working. It's just the red pass is counteract. No, that's not going to be right because the in is going to be a... Shut up. I barely have any clue how shaders work, I'll be honest. I'm getting lucky. Okay, so that's just not correct. So they're not being run at all. They're not even being executed. But they are loading. Well, so reload resource packs. I wish I could, like, await. Make sure it's not async or some shit. Set post effect. Blind effect. Blind effect loaded equals true. Like, this is fine, and we load it, everything's good. But then sampler name in. Let me think. List of render targets inputs and slash or texture inputs. Okay. So Minecraft main, so it takes the Minecraft shit in sampler. So to get target swap. Output swap. In target swap. Output Minecraft main. Okay, so we take in the main shit, put it to swap, get it on swap, run our shit, and then set it on main. I mean, swap. Okay, let's try this. Whoopsie, what am I doing? Oh my god, what am I doing? Clear color, they use that spelling. We're gonna be 0, 0, 0, 1. And then we're gonna do 1, 1, 1, 1. Or, I don't know if it defaults to a float. Whoopsies. Because if we do that, then if it's like just the shader math is wrong and it's not being applied properly, no, cause I don't think that's gonna do anything. Cause it's just gonna be written over again, right? Yeah. Balls, dude. Like, just in case, like maybe we just call it blurder. But radius, and then we'll copy that and just paste it over because they're identical. I doubt that's gonna have any difference. Yeah, the key is what this uniform block will be called when referenced in a shader. So then why is this not being run? Because it's being... Yeah, in is text coordinate. Out is the fragment color. Which is like, that's fine. This is what it's supposed to be, I think. I believe. Can I see? Hold on. I want to like... I want to... Hold on. I'm just trying to see if I can find where the creeper shader is referenced. Let me, Okay, I guess no, not that. Oh, I guess I'm just like, what was it like? Haha. Okay. I'll put swap. That's right. Okay. Inputs sampler name in target swap. I think I like pretty much the same thing. Sampler name in target swap. Yeah. So then, the only thing is you define color config. Yeah. So then it's got to be, let's say, I think. Yeah, this thing. Okay. But this is like I'm just gonna try doing like, oopsies. Like, if it's some weird version mismatch, because it's not. Reloading, saving, found. Pua. Yeah, like it's not erroring or anything. It doesn't seem like there's a big problem. But I don't know why you are being such a little bitch here. Yeah, text chord plus offset, and that's fine, and that's all good. Because like you Minecraft main in, and then you take the swap, and then yeah, that's fine. That makes sense. Yeah, because this is, I think, Gaussian blur. I don't really know, to be honest. Is it the vertex shader? Maybe? Like, here, let's do wait, screen quad. Screen quad. What if we just do this? I'm curious. I don't know if that'll work. But, here, wait, let me make sure. Yeah. Okay, well, before we do anything, let's... Alright, hold on. Screen quad. Just because I don't know if the vertex shader actually matters here, but let's try. Okay, so nothing happened. But we know it's not that it can't load up a proper shader. Because Creeper works. Creeper is working. It's working good. It's just that oh! Yo! Okay, so yeah, straight up, it was just that the vertex shader sucks. Okay. Now, I kind of hate the composite. Because I think that's what's doing the red. Wait, is it blurring in the same goddamn direction both times? Hold on. I think I need to change that. And then let's just straight up take out composite for a sec. Just to make sure that we're actually getting blurring. Because I want it to be like almost like nothing. You can only see like the light, like just very small, you know, vision. Bro, can I get... Okay, there we go. Okay, good to know. So it's just completely black. Okay. Whoopsies. I'm just wondering, like, what's the difference between ours? I don't. I just don't know that much about. Shit. You know what? Let's see. Okay, let's do this, right? And let's just see if it works.
If you're saying the
Shut
OG
up.
look...
I was trying to turn on my setting. Okay. Let's see. Oh, we got... So it is our vertex shader. Okay. But what the fuck is the difference, bro? Hold on. I'm just like trying to figure some stuff out. I'm looking at where do we get creeper? Okay, color convolve. That's gonna be the green. Bits dot FSH. Yes. This is a lot more. Because we are using position. Oh, yo, yeah, totally. I'm down to get scammed. Yeah, for sure. Oh wait, here, wait, how do I ban you? There we go, ban. Get farted on, loser. Okay. I'm just gonna like. At this point. We should be able to. Here, wait, hold on. Wait. Way too fucking far. Nope. Yes. Okay. Hopefully, because we're now using the newer GL fucking whatever it's called, GL position instead of regular position. Hopefully it works. Bam, bam. We need to get blind. Okay. Oh God. Holy shit. That is absolutely horrendous. What the fuck? Okay, really quick. Blur to radius. I think our fucking uniforms is wrong. We don't have uniforms for that. Let's just try that again. Let's try that again. The fuck? Anyway. Give me blind. Oh. Okay. Good to know. Oh, fuck, I forgot. Yeah. I honestly think it would have just been faster if I could learn the whole language myself. It just isn't, but okay. You know what? I'm just gonna go. Okay. Blur config. And we're just gonna take radius and move it in. Right? Yeah. And then copy, paste. Okay. Is that what Creeper does? Is that how it does it? Name, resolution, mosaic size in, I guess, bits is what I want to look at, right? Resolution, mosaic size, yes. And then in, where am I? Blind blur. Yes. Sampler info, though. Alright, let's try it. Let's see if that works. What the fuck? Not quite what I'm looking for. How does this work? What the hell? What the hell? There's a ha box player. I might just do. Oh shit. Yo, I might just use this. Damn, how many passes does it do? Holy fuck. I might just, hold on, I might just copy this shit. What the hell? Oh, cause actually, blur.json, cause I might just copy the, like, cause this goes from in to swap, or main to swap, swap to main to swap, swap to main to swap, swap to main. I think maybe a little much, but, you know, to each their own. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do like, what if I do like this? For the radius every time we blur. Let's see, because it already has, because I was looking at it, already has a blur that it uses for like the menu screen. So we can maybe just hijack that for our blur. Okay. Because I think a box blur is just a double Gaussian blur. Huh? Wait. I'm confused. Is it the composite that's doing it? Because it... Hold on. Hold on. Because if it's the composite that's doing it, that's weird. Okay, so it was the composite that's doing it, and apparently, literally... How do... Brother... I literally just copy your goddamn code, and it doesn't work for me. Why? Why? Why do you fucking hate me? Okay, so the composite is like horribly wrong. We at least know that now. We want to go blur. We don't care about that. We don't care about bits. I don't care about that. I do care, however, about box blur. Well, I mean, what if I just did this? Right? What if I just did that? Like, and I'm tempted. Like, let's just see what happens. Shut up. Okay. Now that's kind of exactly what we were looking for, except... What if I just like increase that to like 20? Right? That's my question. Because I want it to be practically impossible to see. Like just completely muddy. All you get is general colors-ish. I might create a new world because I hate that I spawned in a fucking snowy biome. Getting better. Much better. Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay, okay, okay. Something like that. But let's like really just crank it the hell up. Crank it up. Pump up the jam. Pump it up. I learned how to do shaders a long time ago in Unity, and I forget everything. Let's get a new world. Come on. Better world. Creative. Oh, we got it. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Yes. Yes. You can't see dick. Okay. Now. Yes. We just need the, Okay. However, right? We can just, I'll be so for real here. We can just fucking... We can just, cause we have, not bits, but color convolve. Right? And I might just straight up put this at the end. What if I'm just curious. And I want to swap these. Because I want it to be like a red tint. I don't know if I can take from Minecraft in, like the main, and then output to main. We shall see though. Okay. I don't need, oh. Hell yeah. Okay, so you can very slightly tell what's going on, right? Like, that's what I'm looking for. I think, I don't know what these numbers do though. Let's like, okay. So yeah, we just don't use their shit at all. We just use their shit. That works. I think making it like just the slightest bit worse. I don't know if I'm curious. I have to know. I don't know why I don't just... There we go. It was Control Shift, but I was holding Control Caps Lock. I'm just curious to know, does this just turn it like completely white, or does it just turn it to like, you know, nothing? It just keeps it like regular. I need to make it so that the last thing is I need to test it with voice chat. Oh, that makes it black and white. What? Maybe I do that. That's actually kind of sick. Kind of fuck with that. Because it's like it's meant to be like so that you can still play the game and have visual stimulus, but it's like just a cool effect that you can't actually tell what's going on. It's honestly coming along so well. I don't even know if I need the reload anymore. Okay, yeah, so that is completely black. Okay, hold on. What if we do like 0.5? What does that do? Because I don't know how this matrix actually affects the screen. I feel like maybe I should. Maybe I should learn that. Because I'm wondering, how do I make it so that it has zero effect? So that I can work from there. I feel like this is not going to do what I want it to do. Oh, there it is. Oh, this might be perfect. Hold on. I don't know. I think 150 might be a little aggressive. Let us see. Okay. Okay. You're on something. Oh, I'm flying. Oh, it's snow. Okay. Don't think you can still navigate. I don't know. Is it like, okay. Do I think that would be correct? Okay, so hold on. Let's try with this. So that oops. Okay, yeah, no, you can't see dick. Okay, but you can see that's wood right here. Like, I feel like you can still somewhat play, but not much. What if we lower this all by 0.1, right? I want to make it, like, very, very hard to see. I also, okay. I'm going to take out the reload because the thing is that it is setting it before the reload happens. Like, you can see it before the reload happens, right? Okay, it just makes it darker. Just wondering, like, okay, we'll try a couple things. Let's do, like, even more, right? Because I want it make it so that you can just make out the outline. Or what if I just like fucking shoot this up? Let's do that. It's just that the bigger we make the radius, the less, like, the more blocky it becomes. No, that works perfect. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, no. What the fuck is going on, dude? Okay, I think that's a treetop. Why can't I move? Oh, I was in a hole. Okay, I think this works well. Is this... Where am I? Oh, I'm in water. Okay. Yeah, okay, this definitely works. That's perfect. Okay, okay. Now I'm wondering, okay, what if we take out the color convolve though? Because I want to see what it's like without that, because that definitely takes away a bunch of your like Scheiße, you know? Bro, can I? There we go. Okay, so you can definitely still kind of see what's going on, right? Like you can see, oh, okay, there's wood, sand, here's the water, you know, wood. You don't get much. It kind of just looks like you have a really smudged lens. Oh god. It definitely gets worse when you're like around here. That would be so perfect. Okay, I need someone to like, bro, someone come here and get in the chat, dude. I need opinions on what's better. What is this? Oh. Birch log. I thought it was like a skeleton. See, but like, you can still kind of make out things. And it also looks a lot more glitchy without the red, right? But I'm kind of wondering, if we do this for all of it, what do we get? Because I want it to be like, I want it to be truly debilitating, you know? Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Okay, that's terrifying. Dude, it's so disorienting. Okay, I got out. Where am I? Am I looking up or down? Dude, that is so perfect. Okay. Oh yeah, that normal Minecraft gameplay here. Yep, totally. Okay, hold on. Let's see something. Hold on. I want to make it desaturated. Okay. Ah. I'm gonna grab this because it's a much more compact version. I might increase the sound for deaf a little bit. Oh, the creeper's still around. I might increase it just a tiny bit, because where is it? I think deaf audio filter, yeah. I think I might just increase it to like 0.1. So they can like generally hear just the slightest bit. Okay, that's mute. Deaf. Yeah, so they can hear just the slightest bit of stuff going on around them. Here, wait. Okay. Yeah, so good, okay. They don't really hear that stuff. Like that's because that's kind of like the worst case scenario, right? You're right. I might actually just keep it low. And then just reduce the lows again. Because, like, the last thing that I need to make sure of is that the voice chat works and that it properly does what it's supposed to do. Okay, so this is not what I was going for, but... Hold on. I might straight up do it even more. What the fuck? Why are you so... What the hell? 0... I'm gonna do 2.5. Gonna half it again. Because I just want it to be like the tiniest little bit. You know, so you can hear just a little bit of an explosion or just a little bit of the zombies. Overall, I think... Hold on. Let's do... Because there's this formula here. Not that. What the fuck? Why is there so much space between them? Okay, so saturation, we're gonna do like 0.2, right? Or I guess I have to just do it myself. Let us see. Thanks, you fucking clanker. I know it'll make things pretty dim. That's the point. The player's supposed to be fucking blind. Okay. So one person is deaf, one person is mute, one person is blind. The good thing is that the fucking deaf and mute person kind of line up. Oh, okay, that's blind. Okay, that worked. I might just hold on. I got an equation here for which one? Let me just take it to Desmos. Not /3D / what is it, like R G B. Hell yeah. Saturation is 0 to 1. Thanks, Desmos. I'm gonna have to copy one by one though. Just give me it in plain text, please. Please. Pretty please. That one guy on TikTok with his like AI girlfriend. My girlfriend. What the fuck was that sound? Oh my god. Dude, I want to move to England. I hate being in Canada. Anyway. Okay, that was deaf. Kind of what I'm looking for. I think it's still just like, hold on. Let's just do like B times. That's not a B, let's see. 0 to 1. Let's do this, and the brightness is at like 50. Oh wait, whoops. I was going from the bottom to the top instead of the top to the bottom. I didn't even copy that one. Paste. let's see if that is what we're looking for. Oh, yeah, fuck. Okay, I need to do two things. I need to do one, set up a server with this mod installed, get someone to test it with me. Okay, let's mute. Mute again. Mute again. Def. I might increase both here. Hold on. For the next time I test, I might do highs at like 0.5 and then this at like 1.5. But for now, let's see what the blindness looks like. Okay. Yeah, I think this is right. Where am I? Okay. It's weird because it does end up like blending the water into the sky. So it's like, oh, that's sky. So ground must be right there. No, it's like right here. It's disorienting. I hate when people... Okay, where the fuck is the grass? Here. Yes. Is this not a tree? Where's the tree? Aha! I found a tree. Bro. Okay, yeah, no, that works. Please, stop giving me blind. Please. Oh my god. I can't see shit. There we go. That is the point. Oh my god, I'm keep destroying everything trying to find the trees to see if it works. Okay, I think that works. I think that works pretty good. Oh my god. Again. Yeah, no. Okay, now... What the fuck? Okay. Def. Mute. Okay. No, stay away. Okay, so that works, but if I do B... Okay, so that doesn't do anything because I don't have that mod installed. Okay, I think it's good. I need to find someone to test it with me. I need to find someone to get on with me and help me debug the actual, like, because everything works except for, I mean, I hope it works. Except for the voice chat, which we shall see. It should work, but we'll have to wait and see. It's more programmatic, less visual, so it should be a bit better. And it's more of a consistent API since it didn't go through the big name change with 26.1. I appreciate that, though. Removing the obfuscation is nice. I like that they're widely accepting the modding community, you know? Because, like, right? Yeah, okay. Sick. Okay. Well, I'm gonna stop the stream for now. I don't know if anyone's watching, but if you were, I love you. Have a good day.